Keep it steady now.
Shells lie on the shore. Shells rest forevermore in the warmth of sunlight between the sand and seashells. If you listen, you will hear calling you. If you listen, you will hear wanting you in the warmth of sunlight between the sand and seashells. Take me home with you. I'll sing my song for you. I'll recall each summer on a lonely shore in the warmth of sunlight between the sand and the seashells. If you listen, you will hear calling you. If you listen, you will hear wanting you in the warmth of sunlight between the sand and seashells.
A nice hand for Scrap, everybody. We're going to do my Hawaiian song of love this time.